Hi everyone, my name is Brendan Guire, and today we are on a brand new 2026 270 SDX by Sea Ray boats. This is one of my favorite boats for the sandbar and for any type of cruising that you may do. Come on and step aboard and I'll show you this boat. Starting off with the horsepower, the motor of this boat, we have a Mercury 300 Verado, naturally aspirated V8 with a white painting. It's one of the best motors you can put on the back of this boat. We have sea deck all throughout the cockpit as well as on the swim platform transom. Through the starboard side walk-through as well, we have the steps that come down. Tons of storage on this boat. We have a sprayer in the back here to spray yourself off whenever you get inside of the boat, right here. One of the other features I like about this boat is while you're in the water or back here at the sandbar, you have the Fusion remote to be able to change the music. This does turn into a lounger sunpad, so you can pull that all the way down. We do have a lot of cup holders all throughout the boat. Storage, this is an insulated cooler storage here with a drain. We have more storage under here. Boat does come with a full cover. This bimini is a massive bimini. We have a lot of shade over here, but this tower, it's an electric tower that powers down, that we can make everything get under bridges and things like that. We do have induction phone chargers over here. Lots of cup holders again. Seat that is forward and aft facing with a bolster on both sides. Upgraded sound system. Let's go down here, check this out. This is one of the things that Sea Ray has done very well, is this cushion setup with the head and a sink. And it can be closed off to get out of weather. We do have a bow filler cushion in the bow, as well as a table that goes there, and then a windlass anchor on this boat. You can control your stereo here with the Fusion, and we have a lockable glove box. Coming to the helm, we have a tilt steering wheel. We have our Lenco trim tabs here, and phone chargers, USB, all of your lights, and then twin Simrad NSX screens. This is the 270 SDX. My name is Brendan Guire. Come see us here at MarineMax Clearwater.